Okay, so we're now working on the next question, which is this one here. Moving the Windows workstation, attaching it to switch 2 and demonstrating access to the internet. So I can minimise our server out of the road, look at our workstation, which is currently here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the second switch. So I'm going to go Devices, down to Network Settings, and where I'm currently in switch 1, I'm going to attach it to switch 2 and go OK. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to log in, and what I want to do is run the command prompts, CMD, and I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger for everyone to have a look at. Edits, properties, font size a little bit bigger. Okay, so there it is. So if I go ipconfig/all, you can see here now that we're getting an IP address of 11.100, which is exactly what we expected. Default gateway 11.1, DHCP server is 11.1, but DNS server is 10.3. So, question, can we ping Google? Let's go ping www.google.com.au, and yes, we can. So we can't actually ping it, but we can DNS name resolve it, so that means it's got access out to the external network. So Control-C to stop that. That means that on here, our workstation plugged into switch 2 is going through the router, through the NAT front firewall and out to the internet. That's what that proves. So now we just need to see if we can web browse out to the internet, because that's what's requested for demonstrate internet access. Okay, well, technically we have demonstrated internet access, we can get out there, but I'd like to actually get the browser out there as well. So what we're going to do is, let's run, actually, if I run Google at Chrome at the moment, you'll find that it does not get out to the internet. Let's go www.google.com, and you'll find it does not get out to the internet. At home, if you're at home and doing this, it certainly would get out to the internet. The reason this doesn't is because we're in the TAFE environment and we have to go through a proxy server. So what we need to do is set up the proxy settings here on this machine, and then it would get out to the internet. So site can't be reached. So if I go to, oof, that's hard to read. Ooh, very hard to read. That one. Let's go to network and internet. Okay. It's there, but you'll find that with this graphics driver, it doesn't handle things very well. So later on, I might switch it back. Oof, looks like the graphics driver's wet itself, or has it done a reboot? Look at the graphics driver. Okay. So I think if you click it off and click it back on again, it works. I'm going to go down to proxy. Okay, we've gone to proxy. I'm going to go to manual proxy, and I'm going to go proxy.tafeNSW.edu.au, and back again and go port 8080, off and on again, it's there. It's just annoying. And I'm going to hit the save button and kill it. Okay, so now if I open up here and go to Google, I'm going to go retry, and it goes out to Google now, as you can see, because I've put the proxy settings in. If I click on images and go show me Velomobiles, it'll show you Velomobiles, so it works. The internet's working, that's internet access, and so what we've done is we've finished this question here.